Akala ko nagre-record kanina pero ayun, pinakita ko yung mga na-receive ko. So, thank you talaga sa client namin, sa boss namin. So, ito yung una, Echo Dot. So, parang...
Can you believe that that's yours?
Yeah.
It's yours.
Thank you.
You worked so hard.
You're welcome, Jasper.
Sorry. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You
so
have worked
much.
so hard. So
You're welcome,
good
Amy.
job. Good job. Well done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, appreciate this.
At first, you know, it's always going to be a challenge and a learning curve.
Yes.
When it's brand new, it's kind of awful.
Oh, especially
But you know what? Blake will show you. You'll pick it up like that.
I have I think it's midnight.
Yes. Did we get the right
Oh,
one?
yeah, yes. It's so cool.
Hold it up, Jasper. I guess yeah. Take it out of the.
It's a little bigger, but that Blake
Yeah.
said, oh yeah. He said,
Wow, amazing. Wow.
Is it what you thought it would be?
Wow. Oh my god.
It's okay. It's alright.
You broke it already. I'll just open it.
Done such a good job, and we really appreciate it.
There's more surprises though.
Yeah.
Come on, it's only the first one.
All right, so now you have to close that, and you have to grab your luggage.
Can I ask one question though? What does that say?
Yeah.
You all
typed it
got
right.
the same.
Basically, yeah. You basically have the same things, but some things a little different, like for braces or whatever. And then all the toiletries you can use here, take them home, whatever you want. That's a good thing. I told you we got you everything.
I didn't expect.
Fun?
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Wow.
You know, we should have had a Christmas tree in the room.
We should have.
It was
Yeah.
all lit up and.
Yeah. I had so much fun. So
Honestly, this is my first time to receive this much gift.
Yeah.
For my entire life.
this is great. Okay, well, it's going to get a lot more real quick. But these are just mainly the clothes.
Jasper opened it up and like, oh my god.
Overflowing.
Expensive.
Yes, you'll enjoy. You will wear. I'll know this. We get nice things that don't cost as much.
How much was it?
Don't remember.
Or what does it say?
52.
Oh,
Yeah. So if you want to keep it, you can. If you want to give it to someone else, you can. It doesn't matter. It's all new. If you want to take it out of the outside plastic, it would still look new. So whatever you want. Okay? You can go ahead, Jasper.
Oh,
That was another one, Amy. This was Mind Bloom. It came to us. It was so small. I'm like, I don't know. It fit Amy or someone else. We've never worn it. It's too tiny. Like the only person I know it would fit would be you.
I'll wear this.
Okay. Yeah.
Zoom meeting.
Okay. Yeah. Totally fine.
let's open this. Ta-da. What's
gosh, I
inside?
can't remember what's in there.
I
There's
know.
just so many things.
I don't want to open.
Oh, yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
Do you know what that is, Amy?
Play family rice. Play for
Yes. That's right.
Good
That's
answer.
right. Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a lot.
They're just things we thought you might like for
Yeah.
at home, and you know.
Do you know what that is, Jasper?
Toothbrush.
What kind of toothbrush?
Electronic.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know how to use this.
We'll help you.
Yeah.
That was an extra bag, Amy. So again, I just don't get rid of bags. So I find things and then I fill them. Those were all free samples that were given to us. And I was like, okay.
Shaver.
Do you have one of those? An electric razor?
No.
Okay, now you do.
Stuff that we thought
You might want.
it'd be fun to have, but
Yeah.
you probably don't have it.
Yeah.
So
I need this because I don't want to be Mr. Pringles.
And then I bought, you'll see in there, Jasper, there's, oh, yeah.
Wow.
And again, Amy, those are all samples that I've been collecting as they give it to us. So if you want to re-gift it, you can. If you want to keep it for you, you can. That's why I kept all stuff on it, okay?
Amy, are you starting, and Jasper, starting to realize why we said pack light?
Yeah. I said, we'll get you everything.
That's right.
This one, body cream. I usually use one soap for
That's what Blake says too!
But it's,
That's funny.
Yeah, uh-huh.
I will change my routine. Starting
That way I told you, you don't have to buy anything while you're here. You'll have it all. I have extra toothbrush heads that should last you at least a year. Because otherwise, those are for when your other ones from your electric toothbrush wear down. You'll have enough for a year. And then just let me know like whenever you come back if you're running low.
But you have to come back here to get the new ones.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Watch, like 2 months from now, Amy and Jasper get, I really went through these really fast.
Yeah. Just for those are really nice to have. They really are.
Yeah, you'll like
And
those.
same with the electric toothbrushes. Like, not everybody has those, and they're really nice. They actually clean teeth better. They're really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so then, Amy, you can give yours to someone as a gift. And then the water pick one too. Did you? Yeah.
This is our 6th day dito sa may Amerika, sa US. Actually, ayun nga, nandito kami sa may Tucson, Arizona. And di ako masyado nagsasalita ng malakas kasi medyo maaga pa. So, nandito kami sa bahay ng boss namin. And ayun nga, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala sa nangyari. So, ayun, pinicturan ko lang itong mga stuff na binigay sa akin kasi mag-start na ako mag-ayos. Pero pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito siya. Yan. Actually, sobrang dami. Isa-isahin ko. Hindi. Parang pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga binigay. So, ang kalat kasi ng kwarto. So, kailangan ko na rin maglinis kasi it's already Thursday. So, last Saturday pa kami nandito. And hindi pa rin ako nag-aayos. So, nilatag ko lang siya kanina dito para i-check din kung ano yung mga binigay. And then, ayun, sobrang thankful talaga sa boss namin kasi sinong gagawa nito, di ba? Parang it's a one-of-a-kind experience and parang sobrang dalang lang din yung ganitong kabait na boss. So imagine niyo that laptop. Ayun o, MacBook Air M3. So, may kamahalan talaga siya. Tapos ibibigay lang ng ganyan, di ba? So, ayun, eto. Actually, yung pagdating namin dito, punong-puno yung luggage na to. Ayan, kung makita nyo. Medyo mahala talaga, sorry. Ayan. Tapos, ang dami pa rin actually. Tapos nag-ayos-ayos na ako. Ito, trinay ko kasi siyang isukat. Ayan. And then, ayun, mag-ayos na ako. Patong ko na lang muna dito. Ayan. Dito talaga sa US, kung mapapansin mo, ayan. Or parang against talaga. Kaya siya magandang patong. Ayan. So, ayan yung view, medyo mas maliwanag na. Kasi hindi against na tayo, of course. So, ayan. Kala ko nagre-record kanina, pero ayan, pinakita ko yung mga na-receive ko. So, thank you talaga sa client namin, sa boss namin. So, ito yung una, Echo Dot. So, para siyang Siri. Pero AI device siya. And then, ayan, mag-toothbrush daw ako. Merong toothbrush na automatic and then oral irrigator. Panglinis ng bunganga. Panglinis ng bibig. And then, syempre, yung shaver, importante. So, shaver. Tapos marami pang mga packages, maraming mga t-shirts, mga ganyan. So, hindi ko naman nabubuksan. Pero sobrang dami niya talaga, guys. So, hindi. This is one of a kind and sobrang unbelievable talaga. So, hindi ko na-expect yung pagdating ko dito na ganitong surprises na napakaraming gamit or whatsoever. Ang daming stuff na binigay. Grabe talaga. So, yan. Ina-arrange ko na lang siya para maayos ko na dito sa room kasi nakakaya naman na sobrang kalat dito. Kasi, yun nga, since Saturday pa kami dito and ngayon pa lang ako maglilinis, nakakalat yung itong mga stuff na to, itong mga binigay. So, I have to arrange it. And then may mga ganito pa sa loob. Body wash. Nakakatuwa lang din talaga. Hindi ko nga siya alam paano ayusin, pero I have to, gawin na talaga at tapusin. Usually kasi dito sa US, parang sa atin lang din, nagsha-Shopee, ganyan, Lazada. Talagang nagbangkit ng brand. Pero, sa kanila, Amazon naman. And pwede nilang ibalik sa kanila nang walang kahirap-hirap. Like, they have to put lang kung ano yung explanation mo kung bakit mo kailangan ibalik. Like, for example, oversize, mga ganyan. Like sa Philippines, parang pahirapan, di ba? So, ewan ko, ito large, ay ano pala siya, parang panglamig. Susukatin ko sana, pero okay na yun. Parang okay pala yung size na. Akala ko t-shirts. But anyways, continue ko na yung pag-ayos. So, later on, kailangan ko mag-laundry. I like this underwear kasi sobrang nipis na. So, press ko. This one, let's see. Wow, nice. This is so nice. Ay, grabe naman ito. Kailangan ko yung scissors. Susubok. Sa t-shirt ko. Let's try this one. Fit. this one.